Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. As Halloween approaches, the spirit of spookiness and creativity comes to life with Halloween outdoor decoration ideas, transforming the front yard or porch into a hauntingly enchanting space is a delight for both young and old. Embrace the airy ambience with carved pumpkins, showcasing sinister faces, or whimsical designs illuminated by flickering candles, hang ghostly sheets, or creepy skeletons from trees, swaying gently in the Andean breeze, creating a spine-chilling effect. Incorporate eerie lightning with string lights or lanterns draped into cobwebs to cast eerie shadows on the surroundings. Set the scene with gravestones and tombstones made from foam or cardboard, adding a graveyard touch to the decoration. Embrace the playfulness with a scarecrow or with a witch's broomstick strategically placed to welcome visitors. Create a spooky path to the entrance with fake spider webs and glowing eyes, inviting guests on a thrilling journey. Giant spiders crawling up walls or realistic bats suspended from trees add a dose of frightful fun to the outdoor space. Halloween outdoor decoration ideas offer the opportunity to showcase your imagination and transform your home into a haunted wonderland, leaving visitors and passengers by spellbound by the festive spirit of the season. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Designs channel.